Today, we're going to be doing a tier list. Everyone has to have an opinion on something. We're going to start off our tier list. Smite.
Worst fucking part is knowing that once again my fucking teammates just suck. Kill him, you stupid bitch!
L. Smite. Terrible. Could be worse. It's like getting punched in the dick for 20 minutes straight. But for some reason, Garrett still wants to queue up for 2 more games. Because you can't end the night on a loss. To put it B tier, because without it, we wouldn't have the next. We caught Cerberus smiting Freya's pussy. Classic. This is a real tweet. S tier. Next we got Warhammer. Nerd. Playing Warhammer? Put it A tier. Painting Warhammer. Also put it A tier. Mostly because it'd be S tier, but I have to look at my paint jobs I did before and realize that my next paint job is going to be shit compared to it. So it's only A tier. Of course, when you paint Warhammer, you have to have something to drink. So gnome oil, best drink for painting Warhammer. Necrons. We was Kangs. Obviously, that's true. Valve. The GOAT. Easy S tier. My wife. You know. Crown salted caramel. Nothing better than getting fucked up and playing Warhammer. Goth girls. Put them A tier. The big downside is they're not real, so it's kind of hard to rate them much higher. Like as an idea, S. They don't exist though. This cute girl I keep seeing everywhere. She looks pretty cute. I'll put her in A tier. Put her ahead of goth girls. I don't even need to say anything for this next one. Valve Index. Put A tier, I think. It's GOAT, but 1,000. It's a band, bro. It's a whole band. E-Sex. But put E-Sex in front of somebody. It's kind of cringe. Last time I had E-Sex, I got some malware, so careful, kids. Put a condom on your Ethernet cable. Valorant.
Every kill you get, I'll give you an uwu.
I don't have to say shit. Counter-Strike 2. Put it at the bottom. A. SM58. Now this is a certified hood classic. I'd say SM58 is more classic than Warhammer. It's just, if you know, you know. Promised Land, Chalky Milk. Hey, 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 hey. I forgot this piece of shit even existed. This shit's worse than fucking Valorant. Turtle Beach. What a shit company. $300 for a headset that breaks in 8 months. Man, that's the first time I ever got scammed as a kid. Jeez. Jeez. Jerking off. It might be controversial, but I'm going to put jerking off ahead of drinking Gnome Oil. I think I get some comments about this one. Oh, speaking of jerking off, we got 18 Naked Cowboys. I'll put it. I think the biggest choice for this one is it ahead or behind Crown? Because I think Crown really enhances the Ram Ranch showers. I think for this one, I'm going to put it before because the Crown enhances it. So if you need an enhancer to make something better, you can't have the enhancement be worse than the thing it's enhancing. It's just, if you're nothing without the glue, you're not better than the glue. You know what I'm saying? J-Schlag. I'm going to put him ahead of Graham McDonald. It's hard competition. Bluebell Butter Crunch. Hey. Hey. It's better than Chalky Milk. What can I say? Speaking of Chalky Milk, where's our boys? Tyson chicken strips. Not as good as Chalky Milk, but get that on deal. Costco. Speaking of Costco. They're not better than Valve. Can't have that. Good. What else? What else needs to be in this category? Oh, Freschetta pizza. Goated. I'll take it over. I love my chicken tendies any day of the week for Freschetta pizza. Hey man. What else we got in the same category? Ooh, Costco $1.50 hot dog. You know, it's kind of messed up. The $1.50 food court Costco hot dog is better than buying the actual hot dog from them. 14 Costco hot dogs for $18 without the bun from the store. When you get them for $1.50 with a drink, it power creeped itself. How does that happen? Hey, say less, bro. Lizard milk. If you know about lizard milk, you know about lizard milk, and you know. It's not better than my wife, but it's close. You know? And put it back here. Nostalgia be crazy. This shit was good. If you know, you know. Raid the chicken tendies and Chalky Milk. Gotta put my friend the frogs next to their tendies and Chalky Milk. And you know, gotta put it next to my tweet, because whoever made that tweet got fired. without the frog. You can't have a tweet. Okay. Discord. I think it's gonna be our first C tier. If you like grooming and minors, this might be an S tier for you. Shark Tank. It's all my dad watches. All he does is sit at home and watch it. Thanks, Trent. Shout out to you. You know, put in front of B tier. It's a certified hood classic. But I don't know if it's... I think it fits there. I think it's a good spot. DX Racer Chair. Had this motherfucker for 10 years. Shit, it was like $500. But it's moved across the fucking country. I'll put it in front of the index. I love the index, but I don't sit on the index for hours every day. Speaking of waifus, controversial pick. You know, he's brought some fire memes, so I think we're gonna have to put I think he goes A tier. I think he's better than Counter-Strike 2. You know, if you're on his list, A, shit going down, you know. He didn't hang himself. That's all I'm saying. HEB. I'm gonna say HEB is... No, I'm not gonna say it's better than Warhammer. But it's slightly worse than the SM58. A little bit better than Crown. No, I'd say it's worse than Crown, actually. You can't buy Crown at HEB. Well, you can buy that shitty Colo version. YouTube mid-roll sponsor. It's not the worst in F tier, but if it's coming up in the middle of a video, cut off there. Speaking of which, this episode is sponsored Reddit. Sponsor segment. Better than Reddit. It's that easy. It's that simple. If you want to get brain rot, just read a comment section on any Reddit post ever. Fitting follow-up. Roland V160. Quote. I put this in S tier. You know. Let's see. 2012 Toyota Prius. This was the thing, man. 50 miles per gallon. Sheesh. Let's put this in front of, I think this goes in front of Jeffrey Epstein. No. But I feel like maybe it should go in S tier, but can't because there's something that beats it. But before I tell you what beats it, I gotta put the TF2 Demo Man decal that was on my Prius. It was on the back of the Prius, so it goes behind them. You follow? But the counterpick to the 2012 Toyota Prius, you hate to see it. Raccoon counterpick. See this motherfucker on the road? -1 transmission. Hey. It's that simple, man. You do the math. Alright. Flip Witch for Ben Sex X. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. I think this one is I say this one is between Costco and Valve. It just makes sense. Being a pedophile is a grind's head. You know, I think I'm going to put this one behind Jeffrey Epstein. I think this is just a follower, you know. Epstein made it popular. He's just following the trend. Classic Tom, never the first one to leave the gate. Always the follower. Project Melody, my other wife. I'm gonna put her between Bluebell, Buttercrunch, and Necrons because it's simple math. And I'm illiterate. Next we got male pattern baldness. This really affects the end game meta. I'd say just for shaking up things, it's gonna go in B tier. You know, it doesn't shake up the gameplay in an interesting way. It just kind of surprises you. Like it's like a character that doesn't have very good character development. It pretends like it's been relevant the entire time, and then it just kind of hits you, and you're like, okay, where's the foreshadowing? Pause the recording. This is 19 minutes? What the fuck have I been talking about for the past 19 fucking minutes? It pretends like it's been... What the fuck's wrong with me? We're back. We've recovered. Well, there goes the monotone energy for this video. Don't remember where we left off, but speaking of Jeffrey Epstein, I need to say, every legend has its cheap copy. It's got to be behind Epstein. Next, we have a message from my brother. Sure, she's 13. Those damn sexy 13-year-olds. We've all been there. Can't be around schools no more. Very into this. I think this is part of the lore. I'm gonna put it right next to Crown. Because these led to each other, let's be honest. Yeah, he says he doesn't drink alcohol, my ass. Dr. Pepper. I like me some Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna say I don't like it as much as my Prius. I love that Prius, man. Rip bozo. Next we have first, what was it, hour of this movie? Damn. Last hour of this movie? Shit, this shit is shit. Let's put it. It's better than Smite. But getting virtual STDs. Hey man, you lose some things. Next we got In and Out. I don't know. This one's a hard spot. I don't know which order to put these in. In and Out is pretty trash. I mean, it's a good burger. It's not special. It's cheap, which isn't a downside. Cheap burger is hard to come by nowadays. but the amount of circle jerk happening on it is like the level of smite. So I'm gonna put it better than smite. It's better than smite. I don't like in and out. Fries are trash. But I'm not gonna be that big of a dick and say smite. It's better than in and out. I have some respect for you in and out fans. McDonald's. I always hate McDonald's. Honestly, now it's like doubled in price. The whole point of going there is because it's cheap. Honestly, their stuff ain't too bad no more. I mean, I could put it between Shark Tank and male pattern baldness. Pendulum Anima EP. Well, just like my dad, they left for 12 years and they come back with a banger. What is that? S. Let's put it in front of. I'll put it between Valve and Sex Hex. Because honestly, it's really orgasmic listening to. Speaking of orgasmic to listen to, Absolute Territory. I had to put this. You know what you did, Ken. I listened to this shit when I was 15 years old. The damage has been done. And that's why it's behind it. Speaking of permanent damage, burned retina. Honestly, I have to put it next to. It's gotta be next to Warhammer. You know, it's gonna be ahead of painting Warhammer. Because I mean, it's relevant. You know, it's one of those life events that you don't forget. Burning your retina while painting Warhammer. Very memorable. I'm reminded of it every second of my waking life. Ooh, speaking of retina burning stuff, burning calories. Let's go to the gym, buddy. Let's go to the gym, buddy. Let's go to the gym, buddy. Easy as. Tempted to put them in SS, but let's see, where we put them? I put them between Costco and the Roland V160. It's a natural pick, you know. Not like going to a place and staring at other buff, half-naked men. Am I right? Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is a classic right here. If you haven't seen this, had a dream. It was my birthday, and as a gift, you, being me, this is a DM, you gave me top of the line computer parts, graphics card, RAM, the works to make a high-end PC. This is the funny thing. I actually did build this PC for him. It's got a 4 terabyte hard drive that he formatted to 2 terabytes. To this day, it's still 2 terabytes. I was so happy. I was to the point of tears. I didn't know how to build it myself. So I offered my services. I offered him my services to build it for him. And the bill was double the price of the PC. Hey. I've never been represented so perfectly in a dream before. That's utter pride. SS, baby. What do we got left? Chrismic. Talk about beating a dead horse. Chrismic. I'd say he's worse than Discord. But he's not as bad as mid-roll sponsor. I think it's fair. Next we got, kidney stones. Yeah, kidney stones. Let's put this, I'd say they're worse than Jeffrey Epstein. Not as impactful as Dr. Pepper though. I mean, They go together, you know. So put them right next to each other. Orcs. I'm gonna rate these on how cool orcs are, because if I rank them based off the meta and my game history against them, it'd be 0 for 10 for them. Sorry, Al. But as a concept, I'll put them A. I'll put them top A. Orcs are cool. They just do stuff. They obviously have to be a full tier away from Necrons because it is what it is. Whataburger. Whataburger S tier, obviously. Honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich, patty melt, sweet and spicy bacon burger, the one that my brother's cursed to get forever. Every time he orders something else, they give him that instead. Nah, that's what you want, bitch. Eat it. If I like the mushroom Swiss, which I don't, and they remove that, I'd have to put down B tier since they removed that. All-time favorite? More like bye. Ooh, brisket. Ooh, brisket S tier. Oh, brisket. Man, if you get brisket and if you got that old Sobe, that'd be like a cookout of a lifetime. Lizard milk? Don't talk to me. S tier steak. This is a hard one. I want to put steak and brisket next to each other, obviously. Which one's better? A hard choice. They're both really good. But if you get brisket, it's less work, but it takes more time. Steak, less, but it takes less time. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I'm gonna put steak in front. Just because when you want steak, you can go buy some. Brisket, you want to make it yourself and smoke it. That's your whole day. Warframe, the only game I've played more than 2,000 hours. Yeah, 2,000 hours of, and don't hate. That says something. Put it top of A tier. I know I forgot to put it on here, but Warframe Market goes on S because that's what I spent 1,000 of those 2,000 hours on. Shout out to Jacob. Sit on the bed, you cuck, and watch me make some platinum. Stealer hours, baby. Ooh, the finals. Okay, this game's good. However, China has ruined it. So, where do we want to put the finals? Let's put finals. I'm gonna put it in front of CS2. I like CS, but finals was something interesting before Recon and Chinese people. Chinese people really ruining the meta. Global agenda. Ooh, the only good game Hi-Rez ever made. And they killed it. Ooh, I don't think it's quite Essence tier. I did say it's the best thing they ever made. So even it's gotta be better than the Tweet. Tweet's pretty classic though. Yeah, I think it's gonna stay there. Ooh, next we got American Psycho. Invented mewing. Can put them next to orcs. For the company. This game. I've never screamed or heard my friends scream so real before. It's like I was actually murdering them. So next one, we got Arby's beef and cheddar on a sesame seed bun with extra RBC 6-piece mozzarella stick and an orange cream shake to wash it all down. Ooh, yeah. That's gotta be, you know what? That's gotta be. I say it's just below Butter Crunch. It's, you know, I've been getting that for years. That's 10 years in the making. Probably more actually, which is kind of sad. I don't want to think about. But it's better. It's better than Whataburger. If you're in the mood for it, there ain't nothing else you can eat. Or here's a classic. Chickadee. Chickadee. Fuck you, Garrett. Bathrobe. You know, I'm not really one to wear a bathrobe. We all know that's a lie. And then lastly, tonkatsu. I'm gonna put it below. Well, I can't separate it from it. Tonkatsu's great. It's pork, fatty, so, and it's deep fried, so it's amazing. But you will feel like a fat fuck after eating it more than once. So, sadly, it's gonna have to go a little bit farther down on the S, but shit's good. So, it's my tier list. If you disagree, you're wrong, and I'll argue with you in the comment section, because I don't have a life, just like you.